Okay, Behringer pedals. What's so great about them? Well, I'll tell you what's so great about them. They're cheap. Like $24 cheap. I mean, that's like 1/5 the cost of a Boss pedal. So at that price, jeez, I'm a happy camper. So yes, they're made of plastic, but if that's what they got to do to make them for $24, I'm all for that. I certainly don't take a hammer to my pedals every time I use them, so a bit of care, and I don't care if they're made of plastic. What do they sound like? Well, they sound good. Now, okay. I guess the real test is, the truth is, I never turn the compressor off. So since I've had it, it's on all the time. Now the overdrive, I'm not so fussy about that. So should you buy one of these? If you don't have any pedals, yes, they're definitely better than not having these pedals. Are they as good as a Boss pedal or some other brand? I really don't know, because I'm not about to lay out $100, $150 for a compressor. But $24? Yeah, count me in. Anyway, great pedals.